Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be organizing this tea cabinet. We're going to talk about some organization with some supplies from Amazon. And without further ado, we're going to get into it.
You are watching DIY by Niky Foster.
Alright, so at a quick glance, you can tell it's kind of disorganized with stuff kind of like all over the place. So I want to like fix this so it's like reorganized and cleaned up. And I don't know, just reorganize so I can get to the tea a little easier, make it cleaner and like a little bit more aesthetic. Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna just take everything out and we're gonna try to like clean it up real quick and, you know, get to reorganizing it.
I'm quickly removing everything from the cabinet so I can sort and start with a clean slate in the cabinet.
Okay, got it.
Once everything's out, I go through everything, starting to toss anything expired and items I know I'm not going to use anymore. This also helps me to sort like items like vitamins and tea, so when I'm ready to put it back in the cabinet, I know how much of certain items I have. And real quick, I'm using Crud Cutter to spray down and wipe out the cabinet. I use this all the time for stuff like this, and I always keep it on hand.
I have quite a few bit of teas, different boxes, and I think that's what was making the cabinet look so cluttered because there was just so many boxes all over the place. I actually am going to be using this. I don't know if you guys seen these Snackle boxes where you use them for snacks, but I like the idea of using it for storage and super affordable. I like that it's like flat and I can just take it out and like kind of showcase the teas that I'm going to be, you know, selecting from. So I'm going to use this to organize it and hopefully this helps it be more organized in the tea cabinet.
And here's the teas I have so far. I'm just going to start organizing them all into these little compartments. The first container filled up, I did prepare by having 2 on hand for any extras.
Now, another thing that I haven't tried that I've been wanting to try, I've been seeing this on Amazon and Instagram, is this little honey dispenser. So I like the idea of just kind of taking the honey bottles and like using a dispenser to make it a little bit more organized, make it a little bit more aesthetic. This is only 8 ounces, so the whole thing's probably not going to fit in, but I'm willing to give it a try anyway and then kind of figure out a different solution for like a full honey kind of situation. I don't know, like a container that I can put the rest of the honey in that won't allow it to like go bad. So if not, I'll just keep the same containers that I have and then use this just to like pour it and drizzle on like my yogurts and stuff like that. So I don't know, that's a whole bunch of information that's extra, but I just wanted to share that with you, how my thought process was working.
So here's the honey container straight out the box. It is glass and has a heavy weight to it. I actually like that it feels like that. Like I like that it doesn't feel flimsy at all. So after washing it and drying it, I'm adding the honey to it and setting it aside to organize the next thing.
Now, another thing that I noticed with the tea cabinet / like vitamin cabinet is how many little containers of vitamins that was all over the place. So like these little guys, you know, I have like vitamin E, garlic, different types of vitamins. So I got this storage container to put all the different vitamins in. My plan is to put them in here, then label each side so I can know the expiration date and which vitamins are what.
So real quick, I'm filling up each compartment with all the vitamins. I had quite a few of the same type, so I just put them right next to each other in the compartment sleeves and then just filled up the rest with whichever vitamins were left. Then I made these tiny labels on Canva. I just print them and cut them out on waterproof paper and stuck them onto the container. At a glance, this would help to identify which vitamins are what, and I'll know what to refill when the time comes. A while back, I picked up these containers for a pantry makeover. I ended up not needing all of them, so I'm repurposing them for loose leaf tea.
All right, so I got some dried tea here. This is hibiscus flowers. And this is red raspberry leaf tea. I got a little guy, so since it's only a little bit left in here, I'm gonna just leave it in the packaging. And when I buy more, I'll replace it.
I'm really big on labeling. So similar to how I made the mini labels for the vitamins, I ended up making labels for the loose leaf tea too. And if you guys like the way these labels look, I have a whole video on how to make these labels, and I'll be sure to link them in the description box below. I'm a creature of habit, and once I find something I like to use, I tend to reuse it, especially containers. So these clear containers I had used before, and for this tea cabinet reorganization, I ended up buying it again. I had just a few medicine things in case of emergency, so I stacked them all up in the container and again used a label to help with the organization. This really helped to keep things clutter-free and easily accessible. As far as putting things back in the cabinet, because everything was consolidated and I used containers to get rid of some of the large bags like those loose tea leaves, that consolidation made putting everything back in the cabinet a breeze.
So this is like a little bonus part of the video that I wanted to just kind of share with you. I don't know if you guys have been seeing all of these like viral pill boxes that people have been decorating and making, so I kind of wanted to do one too. I ended up going to the Dollar Tree and getting this from the Dollar Tree. So instead of the one that looks like a little circular flower, that one that came on top from Amazon, so I just went to the Dollar Tree and got this one. So we're gonna decorate it and see how this works. Real talk, I love decorating things with like cabochons and like little gems and stuff like that. So I'm kind of excited about this project. So let's just get into it.
So things we're gonna need for this: a pill box, cabochons, alphabet beaded letters, and E6000 glue. So this project is super simple. I first started with putting a little bit of E6000 glue on top of the letters and then just kind of using the alphabet letters to do abbreviations for the days of the week. So like Sunday, I would just put sun, Monday, I just put mon, and then the rest of the week. Next, I selected some of the cutest cabochons that came in the set to put on top of the days of the week. So my plan is to just cover up the bold letters that this pill box came with. So I just used the E6000 and put it all over, then put 1 or 2 cabochons on, and then I used these little mini pearls that I had used for a different project and filled in any open spots. I kind of wish I had even more tinier gems, but this was kind of all I had, so it just ended up working out. And this is how my viral pill box turned out with all those little mini cabochons, the little gemstones. I love how big and chunky it is. And this is just a quick reminder of what the cabinet looked like before. And this is how it looks now. It's way more organized. I was able to use storage containers that I already had on hand to reconfigure this whole entire tea cabinet and vitamin cabinet. There was a few things that I didn't put back in this cabinet because I'm probably gonna put it back in a different cabinet, but I love how it turned out.
All right, and this is how the cabinet turned out. I have the medicines up there, the loose leaf teas up there, the vitamins and the honey, and then also the actual tea. That is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys got some creative ideas that you could use in your own tea cabinet situation. Like I did, I reused some of the storage containers that I already had on hand to like kind of reconfigure and reorganize this. So I'm hoping you guys could do the same thing. Also, I hope this kind of put that creativity, that little batter in your back to try out something creative like I did with the viral pill boxes, using like the, you know, cabochons and stuff like that. I'm also hoping that it's giving me a little bit more motivation to like be consistent with taking my vitamins every single day. So I'm hoping that gives me a little bit more motivation, because you have something cute to grab. Sometimes it does give you a little bit more motivation. And I have a couple other storage organization ideas that I'm going to be doing throughout this kitchen, and I hope you guys stay tuned for it. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. See ya. Peace.